Hello, everybody. Welcome to my channel. As you can see, I have $6,644 invested. I've only been investing for a couple of months now. I was up $912 last week, so that's cool. I did start off with only $1,000 in investing, and I really been, moving that money up and making that money work for me. As you can see, I was up $4,727 for the month, so I had a great month. Now, I did take some losses in December, but I'm really starting to feel comfortable investing. So let's go down to my hustle hold of the week right here in the play that I've been telling you guys out, and that is Jaguar X. So JAG-X is an excellent stock. If you're not investing in this stock, you want to jump in this. I mean, it got all the way up to $3.45. That's not the 52-week high. I think the 52-week high is like $3.50 something, but it got knocked down once again at $2.82. So it seems like every time it gets close to this 52-week high, it falls down. But I believe that sooner or later, this is going to receive the volume to shoot past that and go all the way up to $6 or $7. I'm bullish in this play. I have 600 shares, over $1,600 invested, and I'm thinking about buying a dip Monday morning because right here, this play right here is going to make me a lot of money in the long term, and I'm not really what you would call a long-term investor. But I am going long term with this one for my what I'm usually about. I'm thinking a couple of months I'll be in this play. But like I said, it settled out at $2.82. So it's 2 cents under my average cost. So PHUN is my hustle up play right here. This right here was up 0.74 cents. So it had a good day. It actually got all the way up to $3.01 before it went down and settled at 282 at the end of the day, at the end of the market. I believe that it's going to jump up pre-market. So I'm going to be very bullish on this play. As you can see, started off at $1.74, jumped all the way up to over 3 and then settled at 282. So I'm going to be on this play like I'm going to pounce. I'm going to pounce on this play. I'm going to make sure that I invest at least probably about 300 shares. I'm going to purchase this and I'm going to let that 300 shares ride, for a couple of days. I'm going to swing play this trade. That's what I'm going to do for this play. I'm going to swing trade it. If you decide to invest in it, you can do what you want. You can keep it long term, but it's more of a swing trade play for me. So I call that my hustle up play of the week. And then right here is my hustle fast. This is some fast money for me. CTRM is one of the hype stocks, but I've been making money off this stock since it was like 16 cents. I purchased it at 16 cents, rolled it up to 32 cents, sold it, bought back in at 36 cents, rolled it up to 50 cents. So I've been in this play about 6 or 7 times. I have 1,000 shares, over $600 invested in this play, almost 7 to be truthful, because I'm down $92, but I expect to get that back next week. Robinhood, when they put a hold on them round of shares that you can purchase, it really hurt me, but it is what it is, right? It's part of the stock market taking a chance. So here we go, JAG-X. JAG-X, let's check some news about it. I'm big on stock invest. If you ain't trying out stock invest, give it a chance. That's where I go to. As you can see, it's yellow and stock invest, so they feel like it's more of a hold. If you purchase this stock, hold it, and it's going to do good for you. And that's the same thing I was trying to push out. I told you guys I'm holding this stock to about $6-7 before I jump out of this play. I feel like that this is going to be a very strong play for me, and I'm going to be able to double my initial investment in this play. That's my plan with this before I jump out of it. But it went anywhere between 29.70%, between high and low. So that's good. That's letting you know that it's trying to get there. It's just keep hitting that resistance and it's bouncing back, and it just drives me nuts. If I was day trading this, you can make a lot of money day trading JAG-X. You can buy in this and then it's going to go up, and then you can just sell it and wait till it drop back down. But I think sooner or later it's going to go up and it's not going to look back, and it's going to find a new high. And then once it finds a new high, depending on what it is, I'll decide if I'm going to hold it even longer or wait for it to get to where I really want it to be, and that is $6 to $7. So PHUN, they got that as a score of a 0.45. So that's a hold right there. So, look, $2.08 is its average. It went up 56% like we discussed earlier. But I feel like that PHUN is a good play. It was in between $1.63 and $2.24. on Friday. So it was moving. We know where it settled at. I think it was like 280, something like that. So we know what this play is going to do. It got over $3.01. And I feel like this play right here on Monday is going to skyrocket to the moon. And I want to be riding this rocket with at least about 300 shares invested in this play. And I want to take it as high as it go, baby. I want to be sitting on the moon with my ATM card, cashing out. So this stock is a buy. Stock Invest, they hold it because it's a buy. So put your money in this play, but look, make sure to do your due diligence. Make sure to do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor, so please make sure to do that. But I'm telling you, money will be made. And then we got CTRM. CTRM is at 0.62 cents. This is my fast money play. I believe that I'm going to once again make good money on this play. This play is going to reach past $1 because remember, it has a chance of being delisted if it don't make $1, I think by June. So they had a 6-month extension. They bought a couple of vessels. So it's also some news to go along with this. It's not just that WSB is just, putting money in this play. It does have some news to go along with it, but it is a high, it's a high volatile play. So please understand that it'll bounce up and it'll go back down. So you might want to put a trailing stop loss on this as soon as it starts showing you profit, depending on what you want to get out of this play. It's predicted to open higher than what it is, and it's undervalued right now. So that's a good thing when you see a stock undervalued. So once again, $4,700 up for the month. Please make sure to do your due diligence. If you like anything that I said today, make sure to smash that like button. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and follow me on my journey. And I appreciate it. Thank you.